Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on LG Gram. In this video I am going to show you two different ways of how to do so. The first one is for people who have access to their Windows, or at least to the lock screen, and the next one is for the ones who cannot access their system for any possible reasons. But before we proceed, let me first show you how to access the recovery keys. It's a very important part of entering the recovery mode, because I don't know, and basically nobody knows when the BitLocker gets triggered and locks your PC, so that you're gonna have to enter the recovery key to your device in order to unlock it. So at this point, let me switch to a different device on which I'm gonna show you how to access those recovery keys. So right now we're gonna have to access the Microsoft website. The address to it you can see on my screen right now, aka.ms my recovery key. So use this address in your search field right here above. And once you try to access this website, you're going to have to sign into your Microsoft account. It's an official Microsoft website, so don't worry about it. Just provide either your phone, either your email address or phone number, and be aware that this Microsoft account should be the same, has to be the same one that you have set up on your laptop. Okay, once you provide the email address, you're gonna have to either use your password or send a code to your email address. I'm not sure if I'll use my password. I'm not gonna be asked to use to use a code on my email, but let's risk it and let me enter this my password. Okay, no, it still wants me to. Okay, so just click email, your email address, and you're gonna receive a code to your email on your email address, which you're gonna have to enter into the following fields. So give me a moment right now. Okay, so let me provide the code from the email. Click verify. If you want to stay signed in, click yes, otherwise click no. And right now we should be able to log in. Let me reload the page. Okay. And so in front of you, you'll be able to see the table with recovery keys in the middle column, but there are 5 different columns, and to detect which computer uses which computer is your LG, you either have to check the device name and check your if you know your device, the device name of your LG, then you can check its device name and see which recovery key matches it. Otherwise, you can check the key upload date. It's the date when you installed Windows on your computer. And you can also, if you know the date when you installed Windows on your computer, you can also check the key upload date. But otherwise, if you don't know any of this, just check the key ID table. The key ID is not something you should already know, but if in case your laptop gets locked by a BitLocker, you will see the key ID on your screen, and you'll easily find the matching recovery key in this table, the one that matches your key ID, and enter it on the BitLocker screen in order to unlock your system. So I guess that's it. Now let's get back to the LG laptop. Now if you want to access the recovery mode from the system, all you have to do is open the start menu, then select power options, then press and hold the right shift button and keep holding it. Select restart and just wait until your device is restarted. Now keep holding your right shift button until you see please wait message on your screen right after your device starts turning on. Okay, right now you can release the left shift button then just wait until your device boots into the recovery mode. Okay, so right now we are in the recovery mode, and as I expected, touchpad isn't working here, so you can navigate using your arrow keys to navigate between options. To select, press enter. To go back, press backspace, and to exit you have to press escape. Okay, so we can go to advanced options. Oh, and to tap on see more recovery options, you're gonna have to press tab button until this option is selected, and then you're gonna have to press enter to access more recovery options. For now, let me turn off this PC to show you the second way of how you can enter the recovery mode. And this method is basically a brute force method. In order to perform it, you're just gonna have to turn on your device and wait until you see the gram on your screen, then just hold your finger down on the power button until your device shuts down. And then repeat the same thing a couple of times until you see something like please wait or prepare an automatic repair on your screen. Doesn't seem to appear right now. Maybe I should hold it for a little longer. Okay, if I hold it long enough, it will restart. Let's wait. No, it doesn't seem to appear to me. Okay, let me relaunch. Okay, now we see it preparing automatic repair, and in a couple of moments we're either gonna see the BitLocker screen or the recovery menu. So let's wait. Okay, and once you see this screen, just press enter, and we are back in the recovery mode. So you can go to troubleshoot and basically choose all the options from the recovery mode. Let's go to advanced options and let's try to open startup settings, and let's see if anything happens, anything bad, like triggering BitLocker mode, BitLocker in particular, because it often likes to, yeah. So as I said, the BitLocker got triggered. Now what you have to check for right now is the first part of the recovery of the key ID, which comes before the dash, and find the matching recovery key for this key ID and provide it into this field. Now give me a moment. Okay, and then just press enter to proceed, and as you can see, we successfully entered startup settings. Now let me just press enter to return back to Windows, and that's it. Hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.